Meron kami corrections.
Hello guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-ballet class and rehearsal dito sa The Harrod Conservatory Studio. Dito, binibigyan tayo ng konting tips at corrections ng aming ballet artistic director.
Let's go! So guys, we're done taking class and rehearsal.
So, road trip ulit tayo guys. At ayan, nag-hi muna ako sa inyo habang naghahantay ng go signal. So, papunta tayo ngayon sa Lauderdale Yachts Club para mag-lunch.
Tayo parking guys. We are here.
Ayan, nakarating na at ready to eat na ang mga person. Dito naman guys ay nakapang summer outfit kami.
Uy,
It's expensive.
looks expensive. The auntie and the titos.
Nasa loob na kami at umakyat sa taas dahil dito ang kanilang dining area. Nasa balcony kami at ito ang spot na napili namin at dahil na nga sa medyo malamig at maganda pa ang view.
Ayan guys, choose tayo ng ating food. Cook?
So, kukunin po muna namin yung battery ng GoPro kasi malulobot na si Matthew.
So yun guys, malapit na tayo malobat. Oh my god, look at the food. Happy now?
Ang sarap ng calamari.
Grabe, dami. Si Biboy oh. Solid. Solid. Tayo natin yung ano guys, chicken wings natin.
Dito dumating na ang ibang pagkain na aming in-order. At ayan, nauna na ngang iserve ang pagkain ng mga boys. At dahil nga sa hindi na kami nakatiis ay nauna na kaming kumain sa mga girls. Habang patapos na kami sa unang batch ay dumating na rin ang second batch. Pero ang mga girls ay hindi pa dumating ang kanilang order. So hindi naman kami halatang gutom, di ba?
Ayan ba yun? Ayan guys, second batch. Second batch ng food. Salt tray. Gusto mo piel? Sige, kuha ka lang piel. Sophie, you want? Not spicy, mild lang.
I can see it in your eyes, Sophie.
I can see.
It's good, but it's too spicy for me.
Really?
This one's mild.
Mild lang. Try mo. How's yours? Crunchy? Crunchy veggie? Si Sophie na, wala pa yung kanya. Ano ba yung order mo? Burger.
Magkano ko lang gulay, T.
Ayun na sa'yo. Ayun o. May ka?
It's not mine.
Not yours? Wow. Tagal naman yun sa'yo.
Still no burger.
No burger.
Everyone is eating. Except for me and Sophie.
Finally. Dumating na yun sa kanya.
Thank you. Yay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Mamaya tapos na kami, ikaw hindi pa. Ayun na, Sophie. Woo! Congratulations!
Alright, everybody got their food?
Yes, thank you.
Look, wait lang. Kanina my hand was empty. Ching! Now it's not.
Sige nga, one bite. Wow! Uy, mag-lock joke ka.
I got the ano lang, size. Look at the bite on the lettuce. It's so small.
Yummy!
Ano gusto nito?
Pickle. Good? Is it
Gusto mo ng
good?
pickle?
Ganda yan.
So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Ano yan, nag-aaway na naman kayo.
Mga Lito Atienza.
Lito. Mga mayor.
Mga bana, Lito.
So yun guys, tapos na tayo mag-lunch dito. Busog?
Oo.
Busog?
Yes.
Yes. Happy. Busog.
A few moments later.
After ng lunch, nagpunta naman kami dito sa Rose Miniaci Arts Educational Center para makita ang mga theater.
See?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, you're so dark na be. Ako din. Frederick Wharton, stage door. Guys, stroll muna tayo dito. Join lang kayo sa akin kasi hindi ko din alam.
Dahil first time ko lang din dito sa place.
So, tabingi naman. May
It's called angling.
It's mainly used for education, but it's also the size of this floor equals the size of the floor in our smaller theater that seats 580. Get through. We also have a partnership with Broward County Public Schools. So when you see the Amaturo, I'll tell you again, but we put 100,000 students in seats to see matinees for free. And then we also, whenever we have a 10 o'clock performance, at 11:20 we'll do a workshop based on the play for students. So we can do 120 students between the three classrooms.
The Amaturo seats how many people?
580.
Oh, that's the 580.
That's the 580.
Okay.
So guys, we're visiting Amaturo Theater. There. Let's go inside.
So this is the Amaturo Theater. This is also considered an extension of the school district. Our school district has 235,000 students, and this is an extended classroom from the time that the Broward Center was built. This theater has always been first right of refusal is for the school district if they want to do shows for students. And as I said earlier, we have about 100,000 students come and see plays here each year. So this is the external classroom is the way that they refer to it from the school district.
Ito yung theater.
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 So many of our smaller dance companies will perform here. We also do the Miami City Ballet will sometimes be here, depending on the program, like they're doing Romeo and Juliet in December, so they'll be in here. But if they're doing a larger program, like the Nutcracker, they'd be over in the Arene, which seats 2,600. So this is our smaller, more intimate theater. We also have, we do have some of our touring shows come through here if they're smaller. Some of the smaller dance companies, Ronald K. Brown is coming in a few weeks, smaller concerts. And again, this is set up for a school performance, and then over the weekend it has a Broadway show coming. It's a wonderful, intimate space. And if you've ever been to New York, this really feels like the Joyce Theater in New York, which this was modeled after, which was built as a dance theater. So the thrust is also adjustable. We could always bring the thrust out further if we want to. But remember I said in the JM that the size of the playing space on this stage is matched inside so that you can use it for rehearsals without giving up your performance space.
Ito naman ang pinakamalaki nilang theater.
Another theater.
It includes wine, beer, soft drinks, and hors d'oeuvres. So, and it opens an hour before any show, and then they can come back during intermission. So for $35, they can basically have dinner and cocktails for the evening, and not have to get here early, get your parking taken care of. We also have, and if you want to, I'll go upstairs when we're done inside, a club level, which does cost more, and that has a full dinner, a full buffet dinner included. And then there's also in the mezzanine, so a separate space so that they can come and go as they wish.
This theater is so big. Wow.
So this is the Arene Theater. The orchestra seats 1,550 people, and then we have another 1,000 seats between the additional levels. We have a school performance coming up for To Kill a Mockingbird. The National Tour is doing a special student production. So our district students will get the orchestra, and then we're going to sell the mezzanine and lower balcony to private schools, and then we'll have law students all the way up at the top. But it's a nice thing. We also have, like right now, the musical Six just left us. They're now down in Miami. They did rush tickets for anyone with a student ID. You get two tickets at $35 each.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Very good deal. You have to